Hi, this is Mr. Panett. I'm going to show you how to create a citation in Noodle Tools for a database article. So we are starting off in my Google Drive. I'm going to go up here to the waffle. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to scroll down until I find my Noodle Tools app. There it is. We're going to open Noodle Tools. At this point, you're going to log in with your Google account. You may be asked to update your account, which means you're just going to change schools. It's going to ask you to change this from the school that you attended last year to Bristol Central High School. So we're going to create a new project. So up here on the green tab, I'm going to select new project, and I'm going to do gun control and MLA. For the citation style is already selected. The citation level, we want to make sure that we select advanced. Now that you're in high school, you're advanced, so you want to make sure you select advanced. And we're going to click submit. Okay, now I'm going to go to my database article, and I have the tab open here. This one happens to be ProQuest, so we're going to select that. Now, what's nice about database articles is the citations are already given to you. So right here it says cite. So I'm going to select cite. Not only is the citation given to us, but now it will automatically send it to Noodle Tools. This is new. I haven't used this until recently. So we're going to select send to Noodle Tools, and then we're going to click on import references, and it says right here one reference successfully exported to gun control, which was the name of my project. So if we go back to Noodle Tools and we go into my projects and we select gun control sources, there is my SIRS database article cited right there. And if I want to go back to the article at some point, I can just click here and it'll bring me to my database article. Now, if that's not the coolest thing, I don't know. I mean, that's the easiest way to create a citation. I also have a tutorial on how to create a citation Noodle Tools for a website. That's pretty easy too, but it does require a little more effort. There's some more copying and pasting. So if you can find database articles, that is certainly the way to go. So if you have any more questions, you can shoot me an email or stop by the library. I'd be happy to help you. But you know, this should be pretty simple. Take care.